Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.0 on PopOS 22. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website. It is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is PostgreSQL 18. Click on download or download, both are same. Then click on Linux, then select Ubuntu because PopOS is based on Ubuntu. So select Ubuntu, then scroll down. See, then we have to run these commands. Those are to manually configure apt repository. Follow these steps. So we have to run these commands one by one. So copy it, open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user. This command will install call and CS certificates. Hit enter. See, both are already near versions. Now import repository signing key by running these two commands. Now create repository configuration file by running these two commands. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. Okay, all are up to date. Control A. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL -18. If you want to install 17, give 17. Give 17. Okay, I want to install latest version, so PostgreSQL -18. Hit enter. See, it is going to install these additional packages, okay, and these suggested packages and these new packages. See here, it contains PostgreSQL 18 and client. Okay, so type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed, and also see here default values max connections 100, shared buffer size 128 megabytes. This is the time zone based on my system settings, and this is the data directory location. Now check the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is installed and it is enabled. Give to quit. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server, but this is not the version of the PostgreSQL server. It is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL server, we have to run a command select version. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server 18. Q to quit. Control A. Now the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. So verify list of users by running /du. The commands that starts with / are called meta commands. Hit enter. See, here we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having super user privileges. Okay, or we can get the list of the users by running select username from pg_user. See, we got the same. Okay, control A. Now set the password for this user. Alter role means the above command executed successfully. Okay, now verify list of databases /l. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL server installation. You can also get the list of the databases by running select dat name from pg_database. See, you got the same. Okay, now create database. Create. See, we have created database bank. Now connect to this database and create a table. To connect to database, we have to use /c or /connect. Either is same. Then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Okay, now we'll fill list of tables in this database. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create table. See, we have created table customer in public schema. This is the one of the table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. Create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this user. To exit, we have to use /q. PSQL -u. You must -h means host name, localhost, then -u means username. You must be caps, then username is David -d means database, then Postgres. Then provide the password of this user. See here, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is a password. So provide it and hit enter. See, you have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, you are now connected to database bank as user David. Now run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission needed for table customer because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Now exit from the PostgreSQL server by using /q. Then we will see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server 18.0 on PopOS 22. Okay, we can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is stopped. We can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. PSQL. See, we are unable to connect. So exit from the current user. Start it again. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is active and running. Q to quit. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Verify the status. See, we have restarted. Okay. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. You can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or dbver. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install pgadmin or dbver on Linux operating systems. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 18.0 on PopOS 22. Okay. For more PostgreSQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.